Welcome back to the Project Boat Build. It's been a while, but I thought I'd give you an update. Picked this boat up a few months ago for $1,200 and here she is in her glory. I haven't been filming much. I've been so busy just smashing out all parts of this boat, but I thought I'd give you an update. I feel bad for not filming it all, and I have filmed it, but I just found it hard to put it all together. But in this video, I'm going to show you an update of the progress so far, and stay tuned. Another episode's coming, the rebuild. Let's get into it. When I bought this boat, the engine was seized, the seats were messed, the transom was dirty. There were a lot of things needing to be done to the boat, and I have gone ahead and fixed some things up. We'll start at the front. I've added a light bar for a bit of shining on. Give us a bit of light at night if I'm ever out on the night in the water. It's just a cheap one off Temu because this is the budget build. It's a nice 12-inch light bar wired up to the front. At the front of the boat, we've got the steering wheel back in, the new Yamaha gauges, a switch panel with a USB socket, a stereo with a 3-speaker sub underneath, spotlight for the light bar, cockpit lights for the lights I've installed at the back, and also the bilge pump, which is down the back there. Very nice. I've also put in an oil tank, as this engine is a premix, but we'll get to the engine soon. We have the Yamaha controls in, and a little wee drink holder for the beers. Hey, she also has a name, Papa Smurf. How you going? Isn't she beautiful? I've also installed some sort of grip along the sides and along the back just to match the black transom bracket and to give it a bit of grip when you're stepping in and out of the boat, as it's quite slippery, the fiberglass. Onto the engine. I picked this thing up for $700 and it needs rebuilding. As you can see, it's nothing under there now, but we're gonna, I've got the block and we're rebuilding it. I've just bought a rebuild kit for $1,700, getting one of the cylinders bored and chucking brand new pistons, rings, seals, gaskets, everything back into it, and we'll have it running mint in no time. Also installed 2 bungs. One bung is for the watertight compartment underneath the boat, and the top bung is for the main compartment of the boat. We also have the upholstery that we have been working on. I've got some chopped down the seats. I'll put some footage up of that, and we're reupholstering it with a matching blue grey just to work very nicely on the boat. They're double facing seats, both sides. They're going to sit really nice in the boat. That's it for this update. If you like outboards, DIY projects or boats, make sure to subscribe, and I'll keep updating you on the progress. The next video will probably be rebuilding the engine, and yeah, I'll see you when she's ready for the water. Peace out.